lot, like a lot. The time is now 2:28 and I have an assignment that's due tomorrow at 3 p.m. It's 2:28 and I haven't started yet. I really came home and took a nap and I woke up like 2 hours ago and I still haven't started. Why? Because I was doing another assignment. And then I ate. Big up Juicy from back to school. And then I was on Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, wasting time for like an hour. Then I was just laying here for another hour contemplating life. Like, what is life? Is this worth it? Is college really worth it? Like, this is just too much. I cannot, I really could not. I really could not like focus on YouTube and school and try to have a social life and sleep. I just couldn't. I barely had time to sleep and eat. I just couldn't. So all the people that have been saying, Shelby, when are you gonna post another video? Yada yada yada. I'm like, I tried, and then again, I didn't have a laptop to edit on because my old laptop was messing around. So I got a new laptop now and I can edit, but now I can't film. Before I could film, but I couldn't edit. So it's just all over the place, and that old footage, I'm not going to edit it. I just deleted it because what's the sense of posting footage from like 2 months ago? That doesn't make sense. So yeah, I'm just really struggling. But I may or may not even post this video. But I just felt like I had to stop doing what I was doing, pick up the camera and let you guys know what was going on, because this is serious. I just can't focus on so many things at once. And you know what hurts? It's like I'm getting so many opportunities from different companies to work with them, and I'm like, I have to decline some of them because I literally cannot produce perfect content for them while maintaining a certain GPA, you know, getting all this work done and all that, because it's just too much. It's too much, bro. So guys, I finally finished. It is now it's now 6:30 a.m. It's daylight, like that's daylight. I have never stayed up this late till this daylight. Oh, y'all don't see my dirty. But yeah, I have never stayed up that late. I need to take a shower. I need to eat. I'm tired. And I have some stuff to edit, like in the assignment, because not everything is like 100% correct. And he said it was a 500 word essay, but I have 600 and something words. And I'm wondering, is the minimum 500 or is it the maximum? Because if it's the maximum, I'm gonna have to edit and take out a lot of stuff that I said. So I don't even know. But what I do know is I am going to sleep right about now, and I'll wake up in like 5 hours it's gonna be like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I can wake up at 11, get ready, get to school by 12 or 1, print this thing, and hand it to him by 3. Yeah. Guys, I told myself I was gonna vlog today because I started vlogging last night when I was doing some homework and all that. I don't even know why I recorded that, but hey, I just don't want to record that and then just leave it alone. Might as well do a follow-up video. So I went to bed at almost 7 a.m. and the word limit was 500 words and I was almost at 700 words. So I went to sleep, woke up at like 11, and then I shortened it to 400 and something words. So now I am trying to go look for a taxi so I can go to school, print that, and hand it in before 3 o'clock because it's now probably 2:30 or so. And if the quality changes, it's because I'm switching from camera to phone and back. I am tired. Gosh, why it gotta be so hot? Like, people must think I'm bougie because I'm walking with an umbrella. But me not make sunburn me. I'll see y'all when I'm at school. She creating excitement. Why creating excitement?
Because it's a mother's patty tastes better than juicy patty.
But mother's patty does taste better than juicy.
Disrespect.
But mother's,
I don't even want to do anything right now.
But mother.
Back up, if you promote the thing, what you say? Is a live recording that?
Yeah.
Backside for what?
My vlog.
Oh, your vlog? Backside, there's some more reach. Yo, you want to go on social media.
Hey Corey. You see you make Carol go left me.
You're vlog?
Yes, I'm vlogging.
Smart. Big up yourself.
Yeah. Pardon? I don't like. I forgot I'm still vlogging.
Me not stand up there with your friend.
I don't know them either. But it would be so mean of me to just move.
I'm sorry, this is not a live video. Go away.
Mr. So. Eat you. Don't the blue shoes
like
on your foot. Me
foot.
eat you.
Me
Me eat you.
Eat you.
Dirty Carol Riley. Me eat you. I left my tripod at home. Done.
Guys, a day in the life
of Shel Rel. Hi, how you doing? I forgot my tripod at home.
so you don't put up tripod
So
yourself.
the hand one. Oh, stupid. Julius, how much time we have?
Me no want.
No, look how much time we have. Shel and I have a tripod. You know what? This segment is over. I'm just going to call this day in the life of Shel. No red. How you like that?
So that's what you want to do.
I'm not sure what it meant, but I can't bother with it. So guys, what's happening right now? What's happening right now, Carol?
A joke, female football finals, interfaculty, Soca versus Fusion.
Whoop whoop.
Right now we're unaware of who is in the lead, but I'm aware someone has scored 1.
Whoop whoop.
Penalty kick. So we're just here because we came late, waiting. And really just watch your video.
All of them just casually walking through my video. Oh my god. You don't know somebody that looks like this?
What? Why you would have done that? Look how close me there.
It's far. It's far for you. It doesn't look close. Yeah.
Yeah, light to me.
No, it's not close, I swear. Somebody dropped on his face. I didn't catch the first time.
The one that was somebody first one.
The first one slide over here.
The director of sports.
Will we have another fall on face? Stay tuned.
Who will give the
I'm waiting.
I am
waiting.
I just want one more.
Good afternoon,
One more?
everyone.